Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. A while back I posted a post about a sprayer that I bought, and I was just going to work on it as a project to set it up for this tractor. And I kind of got busy with some other stuff and it went on the back burner for quite a while. I finally had some time recently to go ahead and work on that. I picked this up for about 40 bucks in a estate sale a while back, and it's the kind that usually goes on an ATV. For the tractor though, what I decided to do was make up a mount that can go on my 3-point, and so that's what I did here, which it's really just, this is an old cargo carrier hitch that goes in a hitch receiver for a car that I had laying around, and I didn't use it anymore, so I cut it down, made it narrower to accommodate the sprayer. And I had that done quite a while ago. It was really sort of coming down to whether or not I was going to put a boom on it right away, a spray boom, and then how I wanted to wire it up to the tractor, or whether I just wanted to have it have its own power source. And ultimately, to save time and get some use out of it this season, I decided to go ahead and axe the spray boom idea for now, just stick with the spray wand that it already has on it. And what I did do with the tractor is I decided to go ahead and use the tractor's battery for the power source. And so I ran some wiring back from the battery through, underneath the seat pan, and then out the back here I used a quick connect that comes out of the back of the tractor right here, and then that runs to the sprayer. And so there's a switch for that here that turns the pump on and off. I also have a switch up here under the hood in the tractor that I can turn that power off to the back of the tractor as well. One thing to consider if you're going to do something like this and wire some auxiliary power on your tractor, this sprayer does have an inline fuse in the system, but it's way back here at the pump. And so I think FIMCO's plan there is really just protecting the pump. If you're going to wire some auxiliary power on your tractor, the best thing to do is going to be to put that fuse as close to the source of power as possible. So what I did was I went and I put an inline fuse up here at the battery, where it comes off the battery, to protect the wiring that goes back to the sprayer. That way, if there's any sort of short circuit somewhere under the seat pan or anywhere like that, that fuse will protect the circuit there, because the inline fuse back here at the pump wouldn't. But yeah, so it's pretty much ready to go to use as it is right now with the spray wand. Like I mentioned earlier, I do want to put a spray boom on the back eventually and have like a T-valve in here that I can switch between either the spray wand or the spray boom on the back. I'm just not going to get to that this season, so for now I just wanted to get it set up so I could use it the way it is. So I have not tested this out at all yet. I did put some water in the tank, but I have not powered this up since I did the wiring and I mounted it up here this morning. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to go ahead and try it out and see if it works. So first thing I need to do is just go ahead and turn on my power switch. We should hear the pump come on and hopefully build pressure. Alright, that's good. Yeah, so now we'll go ahead and test out the sprayer. Alright everybody, to fast forward a little bit, that pump was leaking bad enough that where it wasn't really working all that well. My guess is somebody probably left this sit in a barn that it froze over the winter and they never winterized it or anything like that, and it cracked something inside of the pump. So luckily a local farm store had a new pump that would bolt right on, so I went and picked one up, and it seems to work a lot better now. Yeah, so it's working a lot better now, no leaks or anything like that, a lot better pressure and everything too. That's all I have for today's video. I hope you liked it. As always, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.